In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a split letter monogram. The question was asked that I saw in one of the Facebook groups that I recently joined for the solo and the Create software program. So it's pretty easy to do. I'll go to a new page here and I'm going to type out, I'm going to come to my text document and use Arial Black because that's a nice thick font. And I'm going to type out the letter M, and I'll enlarge that so it's easy to see. Now I need to come to my, well, I don't need to, but it's best to put it that way, document panel, and show the outlines only. You can also do that under View, show outlines only. Because I'm going to use the knife tool, it highlights my little line where it's going to cut in red, and I can see that against an outline much better than I can any other color. Okay, so once I get it straight, I'm going to just let go, and it looks like nothing happened, but if I go ahead and select the top half of this letter, I can see that it did. It actually split it. Okay, now to get my color back, if I untick show outlines, I don't see anything unless I hover over it, right? So I'm going to go ahead and select this top part, and you can do this in your layers panel. My goodness, I can't think today. But I'm going to just go ahead and select this top part just like that. Left click and drag and go to path, close path. All right, and then I'll do the same for the bottom. Path, close path, and then I have my color back. Okay, so then I need those bars that go across here, and I'm going to choose the rectangle tool for that. You can, use the rounded corners if you want, and draw out a thin rectangle, and then I'm going to hold the Alt key, left click on my mouse, and drag down to add a bar at the bottom. Let go of my mouse, let go of Alt. All right, now let me zoom out here a little bit. Then I'm going to select it all and come to my position and size and line that up horizontally. Okay, then I can go to Path Union, and then it becomes all one object. Then I can type my name that I want inside here. Now, you can go to your library and you can come to swirls, and you'll have some swirls in here. I believe I added some of my own, but if I choose this one and I hold the Shift key and resize it, then I can add these on the sides. Okay, so I'll add that one there. I'll hold Alt, left click and drag, and then what I want to do is come to my position and size and flip it horizontally, and not quite sure why I did that, but then I can select this one and select this one and right click and group those. Then I can select them all and align them vertically. That's just, a little added touch to it. There's, if you go to Google and you Google flourishes or flourish swirls, you'll find tons of these. And you can, save the image, bring it in, and trace it. It's a simple trace. I just did a video on that yesterday. Simple black and white trace image. It's in my playlist, and then you can use those swirls to decorate your letter. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can find me in one of the Facebook groups that is also listed in the description. Thanks for watching.